All the birds of the jungle decided to select the owl as their new king, but a crow objected. What at all? First, he not pretty. School. Second, he got blind during the day. Third, he is a bird of prey. In my opinion, a peacock or a swan will be a good choice. The crow's argument made the birds have second thoughts. The owl, unaware that the coronation ceremony had been postponed, waited for his crowning, but nobody arrived. He asked one of his attendants what had happened. Sir, the attendant said across said the we are unfit to rule, so the birds will choose again. The angry owl went to the crow and said, we are sworn enemies from now on. Moral, think twice before you do or say anything.